What's up, my little pie pumpkins, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we are making Dutch baby pancakes with Chrissy Teigen. Alright, well, not with Chrissy Teigen. Well, actually, you know what? Yeah, with Chrissy Teigen. Cool. Yeah, no, just stay back there. Don't ever come into the shot. We'll just, but thanks for being here, Chrissy. Alright, you guys want to make our Dutch baby pancake or what? Let's do this. Pull this out of Cravings, and of course, book and recipe are in the description below. Let's make this thing! This recipe is gonna be super easy, super quick, but super impressive. Yeah, that was you, little pie pumpkin. Alright, come over here. Alright, preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Fun fact, it's also 7:33 p.m. here. Alright, for this recipe, we're gonna start off with a partner compatibility test. Oh, that's just this month's issue of Cosmo. I don't read Cosmo, okay? Alright, 1 cup of all-purpose flour sifted, 4 large eggs, a cup of milk, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 4 teaspoons of melted butter. This is gonna be so easy. Are you done? Alright, we got 1 cup of room temperature whole milk. I just gotta breathe on it to get it up to room temperature. Or you can let it sit for 10 minutes. That's up to you. Alright, cup of room temperature milk in the blender. Let's follow that up with a cup of sifted flour. Alright, when you're measuring out flour, use a fork to even out the top. We're not trying to pack it down. My grandma taught me this. So any negative comments, you gotta answer to her. Alright, let's sift some flour in there. Alright, we're gonna crack in 4 large eggs. To make an omelet, you gotta crack a few eggs. That also applies to Dutch baby pancakes. Right, Chrissy Teigen? Alright, high five. Alright, yeah. 3, 4. Alright, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We're gonna microwave this. Do you guys really think I microwaved you? No, this is an amateur kitchen channel, not microwave the viewers. Come on, there you go, safe and sound. All right, 2 tablespoons of our melted butter. Half a teaspoon of salt. And now Chrissy doesn't say this, but we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. Shh. All right, let's put that cap on. And we're gonna blend this for, oh, sorry. And we're gonna blend this for about 30 seconds. All right, done. Alright, so this is where you get out your 10-inch cast iron pan. Now, I don't have one. This is what I got. 10-inch stainless steel, alright? Amateur kitchen out. Actually, we need to put the stuff in there. So, let's throw in 2 tablespoons of melted butter into the bottom. We're gonna heat that up over medium heat until it gets foamy. Alright, once we got some foam action going, pour in our batter. And immediately put that in our 475 degree oven. So the recipe says to cook it for about 17 to 18 minutes. We might need to cook it a little bit longer since we're not using cast iron. I'll let you know. Hey, you guys gotta come check this out. Come look at this. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks freaking awesome. All right, I think we're ready to go. Let's check this thing out. Whoa, that's hot. Oh, check that out. Are you listening? Oh, this looks awesome. Damn. Boom. Oh, look at that. We gotta throw some butter on here. And so she says to use Mrs. Butterworth syrup, but I actually have a really good reason why I don't use Mrs. Butterworth syrup, and that's because I don't have it, and I don't want to go to the store. So we're just gonna use this. Drizzle some of that on there. And if that wasn't enough for you, let's dust it with some powdered sugar. Look at that. And you got Chrissy Teigen's Dutch baby pancake. Nice job, Teags. Obviously need to cut myself a piece here. Boom. Nice. All right, let's give this a try. Oh my God. This is probably one of the best things I've ever tasted. It's amazing. Oh, you guys gotta try this. It's so easy. It's so good. Dutch Baby Pancake by Chrissy Teigen. Got my new Cosmo. Dutch Baby Pancakes by Chrissy Teigen. Dutch Baby Pancake by Chrissy Teigen. We're doing new videos every week, and thank you.